Hello guys, this is Ray. So today we're gonna talk about what to do at the open house. So first, when the whoever that's coming into the open house, you want to make sure that you want to get the information. The most importantly of all, name and phone number, and also email. So also another thing you want to ask them is, do you have home to sell before you buy? Because many of these buyers they might be a seller as well. Like we talked about in another episode. Many of the sellers in the neighborhood, they come here to look at your open house, so they're gonna use that as they're gonna try to, see if you can be a potential agent for them. So that's why you want to do a good job. So once you get the information, so you want to, forward the client information to your team agent so they can follow up. Or sometimes when the market is really hard, you can even bring the purchase contract there. Maybe they can just write the offer right there. So basically, the purpose of the open house, a lot of times, maybe even it's not even to sell the home, because sometimes, actually, most of the time, your home's not sold with the people that visit the open house. So the purpose of the open house is actually for you to get more seller clients, and also to get more buyer clients for your other listings, or for your other, for your team agents to follow up. That's about it. Yeah. So just make sure the most important thing about open house is to get the client information, whoever that comes through the open house. Okay.